Hi everyone. It's summertime, as you know, and during the summer we think about swimming and hiking and going to the fair. And at the fair we enjoy riding the rides, playing the games, and the food. I found a recipe, and today I'll be making one of the fair favorites called hot beef sundae. What all goes into the hot beef sundae? 16-ounce container refrigerated mashed potatoes. I had to get a 32-ounce, so I'll be using half of that. 15 ounces packaged refrigerated cooked roast beef with gravy or au jus. All I could find was the beef tips and gravy. I wanted smaller pieces, but you get what you get, right? 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 3 cherry tomatoes. So obviously you got to figure it out. It will make 3 servings. So let's begin. Now this really isn't, a full cooked meal. This is just more or less a heat up meal. But when I saw it, I thought it was really cool to replicate a fair favorite. I've never had it, I've never heard of it, but I'm guessing some people have. So I'm going to take half of my potatoes, maybe a little bit more. And you heat the mashed potatoes as per the package directions. So put it on medium and heat that until thoroughly heated. Then take a skillet and dump the beef in the skillet without making a mess. And you want to heat that on medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes. So what makes this dish so much fun is we're going to build it like we would a sundae. First we'll take a scoopful of mashed potatoes. Actually, I might do 2, just, a 2-scooper there. That would be representing the ice cream. And then we're going to drizzle the hot beef, which it would be like hot fudge. And then we'll sprinkle it with cheese, which would represent sprinkles. And then, of course, if you have a sundae, you need a cherry on the top. There we have the cherry tomato. Here we have the fair favorite hot beef sundae. And just like anything, you got to have their name so they know when their order is ready. We also are going to serve it with a spork. So Dave, your order's ready. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Okay, everybody knows what this is but me, but it's got my name on it, so.
So what it is you're at the fair and you went to go get some food. And so what you got is hot beef sundae.
Oh, that's interesting looking. It smells good. I like brown gravy. I can feel the heat. I like this.
So you're not going to ask for your money back?
No.
Okay.
And I'm hoping they're leftovers.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.